Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste friends. Today we would be talking about what is called the Sudarsana Chakra Dasa. This is a very simple Dasa system based upon Rasi science. Unfortunately, this is not available in Jagannathavara as far as my knowledge is concerned. I do find it being used in some paramparas, but it's not very popular. The Sudarshana Dasha system that is available in Jagannathavara and other softwares is based upon different concept of 1 year per sign of either the Lagna or the Rasi, the Lagna or Chandra or Moon or the Sun moving around. But this is not that. This is something different. Each sign is allocated 12 years here, and therefore it progresses normally cyclically. So this is a very powerful dasa as far as I heard about it. So I thought let us make a quick Excel for getting the dates of the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa. That's what I'm going to talk about today. So this is a simple Excel interface wherein you have to give just the date of birth and the starting sign of the Sudarshana. What is meant by a starting sign? A starting sign is normally taken to be the Lagna. The Lagna, you can give the Lagna directly here. If there is a Kala Sarpa dosha existing in the chart, then Ragu sign can be given as the starting sign. If there is Kala Amrita Yoga in the chart, Ketu's placement sign can be given as the starting sign. And then you come here and then there is a UDF here. The user defined function is just Chakra Dasa given that takes the input of the DOB and the start sign that you are given. And then once you click there, it populates the entire list for 120 years of how your Dasha system is going to evolve. As I said, it starts with the starting sign and that lasts for 12 years. So in this case, 1990 born, some native, till 2002, it is the first Gemini sign itself. Then you have the Cancer, Leo progressing. Every sign progresses continuously in a cyclic manner. And this seems to work out well if you take events and compare. I took some example here. So this is some person, let me maybe show it here. As per this, once you put different events and a particular date on which the event happened, this picks up the Dasha, Mahadasa that was running and the Antaradasha that was running, basically the Bhukti. So birth is of course straightforward. Whatever you are given is taken as the birth. The marriage even took place in this particular year in Leo, in Virgo in this case. You can figure out why marriage happened in this case in Virgo. Bhukti matters the last. So Virgo, it happens to be, let us see what is the Navamsa here. Navamsa happens to be the Virgo sign itself. So it has a good indicator. It's a good indicator for marriage. So that seems to answer well for this case. Next, childbirth happened in Pisces. So let us take maybe the Saptamsa here. And in fact, Pisces is the 5th house in Saptamsa. I was using 1/7 standard by PVR recommendation, and it happens to be Pisces. Of course, this is the Rasi-based circulation, but anyway, Saptamsa works so nicely. Pisces comes to be the case when childbirth happened, and recently the person lost his job, and if you check the D10 there, D10, Taurus is the 5th house here. 5th is the 8th house to the 10th house. So normally job loss can be expected, change of job can be expected when the 5th house sign is running and Taurus is running. I took the 6th 9 there. Let us maybe check traditional. Traditional, it was the 8th house itself. Taurus again. This is the Lagna that is a D10 Lagna that is rising. 8th is again an indicator of loss of job because it is a Harasthana for the 10th house. So the 11th house from the 10th house is the 8th house. So that way also one can interpret it depending upon whatever chart you choose. But yeah, of course, explaining one event could be easier. The reverse is always tough. But anyway, this is a useful dasa system that is followed in many specific paramparas, which is unfortunately not available in Jagannath, or maybe there are options to get it. I don't know. But I thought Excel would be useful to you. So I'll give this as an Excel file so that you can download and make use of it. Thank you.